Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how you can fix sound problem or low sound issue on Vivo 40. Before starting this video, please subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.